To redeem points on Pandabuy, start by accessing your points through the User Center, which can be found by clicking on your profile and then scrolling down to the relevant section. Here, you will see various points, including point redemption details, redeem logs, and your available Pandabuy points. To redeem items, use your points to select the desired product. Then visit the CN Fair website and click on the item you wish to purchase. You will be redirected to a page with details about the item, where you can copy the redeem code. Return to Pandabuy, click on Pandabuy Points Redeem, enter or paste the code, and click Redeem Now. Repeat this process for any other items you want to redeem. Once you confirm the redemption, the item will be added to your Pandabuy warehouse, where it will be stored for a limited time, typically 90 days. It is recommended to redeem items when you plan to make a purchase, as this will ensure that your redeemed items are shipped to you. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Pandabuy points for items on CN Fair.